Worried about jumping into crypto? Whether it's losing passwords, scams, or market confusion, it doesn't have to feel risky. Imagine a way to build, protect, and even earn with crypto safely. Welcome to Toolkit 5 in the CashWave Strategy Vault. This is your crypto safety starter kit. Today, you'll see exactly how Craig set up his system to earn commissions in crypto while securing every dollar.
Stay till the end. Craig's free walkthroughs, wallet maps, and guides are one click away in the description. Intelligent Crypto VIP Indicator, Bundle Crypto Commissions, Optional Bonus. Craig's crypto flow centers on three powerhouse programs. First, Intelligent Crypto VIP is where he learned to stay safe. It's a membership that took him step by step through setting up his wallets and securing funds offline. Next, there's the VIP Indicator Bundle. No more guessing if it's the right time to buy or sell. Craig uses their alerts like a GPS for his wallet stack, avoiding emotional trades. Finally, crypto isn't just for holding. Craig monetized what he learned with crypto commissions. This bonus program shows exactly how he earned affiliate payouts, paid directly in crypto. These tools alone built Craig's confidence to hold and earn, transforming crypto from risky to reliable for him. Programs are the foundation. Next, we layer in tools Craig uses for added safety and convenience: Ledger, physical wallet. To protect his funds offline, Craig added Ledger's Nano X. This cold wallet ensures no hackers can touch his stack. DeepSeek Research Insights. For picking new coins, DeepSeek broke down risks and potential for Craig. He stopped relying on rumors and started using vetted data. ChatGPT, simplifying the process. White papers and staking guides can seem technical. Craig used ChatGPT to summarize, simplify, and make better decisions. Brave Wallet, hot wallet. For small transfers and staking, Craig uses Brave Wallet. It's lightweight, browser-based, and great for smaller moves. Each tool serves its role. Together, they complete the system for earning and storing securely.
Back when I started, crypto felt like guessing in the dark. I worried about losing money or keys. I even fell for a scam early on. That's what pushed me to find a proven system. Intelligent Crypto VIP was a game changer. It broke down wallet setup step by step. I finally felt secure holding my funds. Then, with VIP indicators, I stopped making panic trades and started growing my stack confidently. Earning came next. Crypto commissions helped me generate payouts in crypto while building systems I already trusted. Now, I'm not just holding safely, I'm earning with clarity. That's the real power of what you'll see in your Toolkit 5 map. You don't have to be a crypto genius. If I can do it, you can too.
Landon F. from Charlotte used Intelligent Crypto VIP to set up his Ledger wallet. I didn't understand crypto until I saw it laid out like that. Now I get paid in it. Alicia T. from Portland followed Craig's VIP indicator setup and made her first winning trade. I didn't even know how to read a chart before this. It gave me confidence. Derek M. Austin simplified onboarding docs with ChatGPT. It reduced confusion. Now I'm building safely and staking too. Even the Intelligent Crypto VIP team noticed how fast Craig's audience is adapting. Your action takers who want clarity, safety, and long-term success, their founder recently said. Have you earned in crypto, or are you still watching from the sidelines? Comment below what's held you back or what system you trust. We read everything.
Want to map out your crypto flow? Toolkit 5 is free. Craig's system maps, wallet guides, and walkthroughs are linked in the description. Bonuses and upgrades are available directly from program creators like Intelligent Crypto VIP. But remember, some offers are time limited. Don't wait. In the next video, we'll put your crypto tools into action. Cold wallets, coin research, browser wallets, and more. See Craig's system run in real time so you can follow with ease.